everyone, and welcome to my monthly Mind Miracle. I'm Devinda Ojana, the Lightworker Coach, and every month I'm going to be challenging you to a short 5 to 10 minute exercise or sharing a tip or tool that's going to really empower you to improve the quality of your mental, emotional, physical and spiritual health and well-being. Now, this month I'm introducing you to what I refer to as my Pineal Detox. Now, this is super important because the pineal, in fact, is what we refer to spiritually as your third eye. Now, the pineal is a very small pea-sized gland located right at the back towards the back of the brain. And it's associated with the production of the hormone melatonin. Now, melatonin promotes a good night's sleep, which is essential for our health, our well-being, and our energy and vitality. And for many of us, we can really feel drained or tired or exhausted throughout the day and not be able to serve or give or step into our higher potential because we're not sleeping or getting a really good night's sleep. So deep sleep is really important. And this is impacted by the pineal because the pineal gland can be impacted by many different ways, such as the fluoride in water can start to block the third eye. And one of the key things is using a laptop, your computer, because the glare from the computer screen can really start to impact the third eye. And often we experience this as dizziness, lightheadedness, or start to feel our sinuses are getting blocked. We might get headaches, but we will start to close down the third eye. Now, when we start to do that, it not only impacts our sleep, it also impacts the power that we as individuals, as human beings, in fact, can be separated from. Because the third eye, in fact, is a powerful portal that connects us to higher consciousness. Now, when we're connected to higher consciousness, when we have a free flow of energy from the third eye chakra, we're able to receive higher guidance, insights, we have greater clarity, we're able to see our vision ahead. So we want this to be really open and healthy. So I'm going to show you a short exercise that I want you to use daily. Use it in the morning, use it at night, use it a couple of times a day. Do it for a whole month because I want you to really experience the benefits of this. But most importantly, if you're using a laptop or you're on your computer for long lengths of time, use this as a little breakout for yourself. And I would suggest if you are on your computer for hours on end, if you're at an office, then at least every 55-60 minutes, come off, do the short exercise. So let's start. So make sure you're nice and comfortable. Lengthen through the spine because the spine is the main energy channel for the body, which just distributes chi, prana, life force into the chakras. And as I said, the chakras are portals to connect you to higher dimensions, to connect you to higher intelligence, higher consciousness, and your multi-sensory abilities, which we all have. But we need to start to awaken these chakras. So, spine, nice and long, shoulders back and down, chin parallel to the floor, and then gently tuck that chin in. So you should feel that length at the back of the neck, crown of the head reaching up. Take a nice deep breath in with me. Exhale. And again, nice deep inhale. Exhale through the mouth. One more time. This time as you inhale, breathe in nice and deep into the belly. Inhale, let the belly balloon, expand. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, let the belly relax. 1, 2, 3. It just takes 3 deep breaths to slow the brainwaves down to the alpha state, which is a much more receptive state. Great. Okay, now bring the hands together. So make sure the hands are pressing into one another gently yet firmly, so you can feel the space in between the palms of the hands. You can feel that sensation of touch, that gentle pressure. Keep the shoulders relaxed. Again, nice deep breath. Breathe in through the nostrils. And exhale through the nostrils this time. So you're going to keep the mouth closed this time. So deep abdominal breathing. Breathe in to the belly. Exhale. Continue that. Continue deep abdominal breathing, and we're just starting to build some energy up in between the hands. So the hands are an extension of the heart chakra. And the heart chakra helps us to carry the energy of love around the rest of the body. So the energy around the heart is hugely healing. So love is a hugely healing power. Good. So when you're ready, start to rub the palms of the hands together. So we're starting to tap into and touch into the reflex points and the meridians. Meridians are energy channels around the body. So we're awakening the energy channels around the body. Start to go a little bit faster. Good. And a little bit faster. So you'll be able to feel the heat, the warmth building up in the hands. Now close the eyes, and I want you to place the hands just over the eyes, cupping the hands just gently. There's a little bit of space between the palm of the hands and your eyes, and you're breathing in that energy. Draw that energy from the hands to the backs of the eyes. Now, if you're sensitive, you'll be able to feel this energy, like a tingling sensation in the fingertips, the palms of the hands. You can draw it deep into the back of the eyes, cleansing, clearing. It's like a magnet pulling out any toxicity. Good. And bring the hands back down. We're going to do that one more time. And we're going to take it slightly deeper. So again, rubbing the palms of the hands together. So this is also known as aura cleansing as well. And aura cleansing is a way to shift and clear stuck energy blocks in our energy field. Good. So again, cup the hands gently over the eyes. And this time I want you to rotate the hands around the eyes. And I want you to pay attention to what you can feel and sense. Now you'll probably start to feel the energy around the eyes, backs of the eyes. And then bring the hands towards the area where the third eye is located in between the eyebrows. And draw that energy from the hands back through the center of the forehead all the way back to the pineal. And then start to pull that energy out. So any stuck energy, we're clearing from the forehead, the pineal. So we're energetically releasing any blocks around the brain, the frontal cortex of the brain, and deep into the third eye. Now there's different ways you can do it. I like to clear and sweep around this area. You might want to clear and sweep top of the head, around the sides, and then back to the third eye, pulling out any energies. Now, when I find this area is getting blocked, it feels like glue as I pull it out. So you'll start to become more and more sensitive. So start to feel that stuck energy, and we're just offering it back down to the earth, clearing it away. Good. And bring the hands back to center. Namaste. Please let me know how you get on. Give this a go, and you can shrink it down, just do a part of it, whatever feels right for you. But please do try this, especially if you've been on your laptop, your computer, as I said, because the glare really does impact the pineal. And best time to do it is before you go to bed. So make this into a ritual, a 10-minute ritual for yourself just before you get into sleep, before you get to sleep. So it's really soothing, really great for the nervous system as well, and you'll sleep so much better. If you like this video, press below and press like and subscribe, and please do share with friends or family or anybody else you feel might find my monthly Mind Miracle a benefit as well. Now, if you want to know more about working with me or joining my community, please check out my website, www.thelightworkercoach.com, and come and join us in the Lighthouse, which is my private members community, which is where we move deep into healing, transformation, and it's a wonderful community to learn more about stepping into awakening, ascension, and thriving together. I'd love to see you there. Have a fabulous month, and I'll see you next month. Take care. Bye bye.